Hey everybody, today I'm showing you two cool perpetual marble runs. Now these are not perpetual marble machines, they just have this electromagnetic mechanism that keeps the ball cycling, jumps from here to top and goes back. Now this is 3D printed partially and it's more powerful because it can handle multiple balls, whereas this one, it's best for one ball. It does have batteries, so it's a different approach. This is the back of it. They're not really that big, so you can easily put them on your desk. This is a nice DIY project if you try it yourself. These can be 3D printed. I'm sure you can find the files online somewhere for this, or design it yourself. You just need a place for the ball to land and then drop back in. So that's all you need. It does have this switch here. For this, the switch is here. It's a little touch button right there, and it turns it on. You can see all the things that are inside. The battery is technically replaceable. No, I've never tried it because it just holds the battery enough, and even though I've had this for a while, it still holds charge. So here's how this works. If that happens, if you do more than one, if they don't hit each other, that's fine. But if they do, you see, that happens and then it stops. So that's the problem with this particular version. That's the limitation for that. It just is designed for one ball, which is more than enough. But here I can do that's the mechanism that makes it work, electromagnetic generator, to create this push for it to go to the top. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/gadgetify. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.